Hi everyone, welcome to Future Math Lab. I'm Luke. Let's start with a headache. Look at this long addition problem. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It's too long and boring, right? So let's smash it. Repeated addition becomes simple multiplication. We read this as 2 times 5. But wait, what if we repeat multiplication? What if we multiply 2 5 times? We need a new superpower for this. We call this a power. We write it like this and we say 2 to the power of 5. Look closely. The bottom number is the base. The small number writing on top is the exponent. It tells you how many times to multiply the base by itself. Now, here's a really important pro tip. Be careful with your handwriting. If you write the exponent too big, it looks like 23. Your teacher might mark it wrong, so keep it small and high up. Let's try a quick quiz. 3 multiplied 5 times? Easy, that is 3 to the power of 5. Next, what does 5 cubed, or 5 to the power of 3, mean? It means 5 times 5 times 5. Let's level up. What if the numbers are mixed? Just group them. 2 is multiplied 3 times, and 3 is multiplied 2 times. So we read this as 2 cubed times 3 squared. You nailed it today. Now that we understand exponents, next time we will use them to break numbers down. Coming up next, prime factorization. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.